still stuck with this one. I'm gonna show you the after result. Hi guys, so nagdo-drawing ulit ako. Kada drawing guys, kada dark shade, magka-cotton buds tayo. Kaso nga lang guys, dark shade, pencil lang. Oh my god.